Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, can I have cameras on?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bache. Good morning. How are you all?
I'm good.
Good.
Ma'am, not good.
How are you?
Why, Divyang? What happened, Beta?
Ma'am, and at night my AC खराब हो गया.
क्या खराब हो गया?
AC.
अरे तो क्या हो गया बेटा? प्रकृति की हवा खाइए. Where is the problem?
मैम प्रकृति ने तो काटा है पूरी रात में.
हाँ?
मैम रात में इतने मच्छरों ने काटा बता नहीं सकता.
तो क्यों फैन नहीं था? मतलब ठीक है, एसी नहीं था, समझ में आया, पर पंखा तो होगा बच्चे.
मैम फैन था पर क्या कहते हैं हम लोग सो रहे थे तो मेरा जो रूम है ना वो मतलब थोड़ा सा ओपन ए में है, ओपन में ऊपर की साइड में. तो उसका
Okay.
मम्मी ने कहा था कि वेंटिलेशन होना चाहिए तो एक गेट खोल के रखो. उसमें इस गेट से इतना मच्छर अगर अंदर आ गए कि काट काट के मतलब रात खराब कर.
हाय 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 हाय. I can understand कि आप पूरी कंडीशन हुई होगी. चलो कोई बात नहीं.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pradyunsh. I was missing you yesterday. You were not there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yesterday my alarm doesn't work, so I woke up
Okay.
late.
It didn't wake you up, your alarm?
No, ma'am, it was off.
Okay. Sometimes it happens. We forget to switch on, right? Put the alarm
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
Okay. I think we are complete. We have done the PPT wala thing, Ankur. है ना बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हमने PPT काम कर लिया है ना, PPT वाला?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So today I am going to share notes of this chapter with you. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine class?
Ma'am, is our copies checked?
Is नहीं बोलते हैं. Are our copies checked? बेटा, geography and history I checked it on Monday only. Monday itself I checked them, and about civics and economics I don't know, but my geography and history I have checked.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Adarsh is not connected to the audio. Can somebody message him to connect himself to the audio? Connected. Okay, he's connected now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Beta, I want everyone to open the cameras, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Rohan, Divyanka.
I'm opening.
Beta, those who will not open, I will remove them from the meeting. So I want everyone to open it, please. Okay, how is Rakshit doing? Good. Where is Divyanka Verma? I think she has left. Rohan, you have not submitted your notebook?
I submitted the geography one.
No, I didn't get your notebook. When did you submit it?
Ma'am, on 25th only.
No, it is not there. I didn't get your notebook. Let me see. Let me check. Let me check. Wait. My datas are there. No. Yes, Rohan, your notebook was not there.
No, ma'am, on 25th, ma'am, mom go to the school in the morning only, ma'am, because my father was not there. So
Okay.
she gave it.
I don't know, but I didn't get it. I got for Pradyunsh, history, geography both. Then Karthik Gangwar, geography only. Madhav Paul, geography and history both, but the work was not complete. Ishan Jawhari, both history and geography, incomplete work was there. Fatima Zahra, only history work I got.
No, ma'am, there was both of the copies, geography and history.
नहीं फातिमा केवल geography केवल हिस्ट्री दिखी थी उसके अंदर.
नहीं, ma'am, I gave both geography and history.
चलो देख लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, चेक कर लेंगे दोबारा. Then Ankur, both the notebooks were there. Abhinath, both the notebooks were there. Sameer Yadav, both the notebooks were both the notebooks were there. Sanidhya Saxena, both the notebooks were there. Yugraj Singh, only history notebook was there. And Adarsh, did you send your notebook? Yes.
I submitted the online PDF. I accept.
Okay, you have submitted online PDF.
Yes, ma'am. I'm both history and geography.
Beta, please switch on the cameras, those who are there.
Ma'am, I have sent it both the notebooks.
Okay, I need to check then. I need to check.
Ma'am, on 27.
27. Then I must not have got it. चलो देख लेंगे because उस दिन जिस दिन चलो I'll check. Fine. There are many those who were not there in the previous. Aryan, I think 2 days you did not attend the class, right?
No, ma'am, I attend.
Okay. Divyanka, please open the camera, bacha. Divyanka Verma. Chaliye. I am sharing certain notes over here. You all can take the screenshots and do them in your notebooks later for your reference, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But before you take the screenshot, I would like all those who are there in the class to read out one by one, okay? So I'm sharing it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the screen, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you can share these photos on the group also, that homework one.
These ones?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Chalo. Can we have others reading first 5?
Yes, ma'am. First, river system of an area. Drainage. Second, area drainage by a single river. Drainage basin.
These are the definitions. Beta, these are the definitions, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Third, highlands separating two rivers. Water divide. Fourth, river having water throughout the year. Perennial. Fifth, river having water during rainy season. Seasonal. World largest basin. Amazon basin. India's river with largest basin. Ganga. Drainage pattern. Certain shapes or patterns. Drainage pattern, major patterns, dendritic, trails, rectangular and radial. River system, a river with
Okay, fine,
its
fine.
tributaries.
Others, okay. Can we have Rohan reading? Thank you, Adarsh. Now you can switch off your cameras, beta. Rohan Rastogi. Okay, Aryan Bhardwaj, read river system.
River system. A river with its tributaries, Indus River system. First, origin near Mansarovar, Ladakh, J&K. Second, tributaries, Jasker, Nubra, Himsa, Shyok. Flows through Baltistan and
Gilgit.
Gil- Gilgit, emerges from mountains and Ato, Jhelum, Chenab, Beas, Ravi, and Satluj join together and enters near Indus near um, Mithankot in Pakistan. Fifth,
Right.
total length is 2,900 kilometer, the largest in the world. One by third in India, 2 by third in Pakistan. The Ganga River system. Headwaters of Ganga Bhagirathi from Gangotri Glacier and joined by Alaknanda and at Devprayag comes down in plains at Haridwar. Second, major tributaries Yamuna, Ghagra,
Gandhak.
Gandhak, Kosi. Yamuna originates from Yamunotri Glacier and meets Ganga at its right bank at Allahabad. Tributaries from south Chambal, Sindh, Betwa, Ken, Son. Flows up to Faraka in West Bengal, then starts at Ganga Delta.
Fine.
I'm done.
Okay. Can we have let me see who all are there. Arush Pratap reading. Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
please read.
Ma'am, from where?
From length 2,500 kilometers.
Length 25,000 kilometers from Ambala to
Sundarban.
Sundarbans.
Sundarban.
18,000 kilometers
Beta
smooth
1800.
fall.
Beta it is 1800.
Oh, sorry. 1800 kilometers smooth fall of 300 meters, 1 meter every 6 kilometers. The Brahmaputra river system.
Mhm.
First, rises in Tibet near Mansarovar, closest to the source of Indus and Satluj. Second, flowing eastwards into the mountains, it enters India near Namcha Barwa. Ma'am, 7,757 meters after taking a U-turn in Arunachal Pradesh. Here its name is Dehang and is joined by Debang and Lohit. Afterwards, numerous other tributaries join it. Third, in India, it passes through areas of heavy rainfall, hence carries large volume of water and silt. It is a braided stream
Braided stream. Yes. Mm-hmm.
throughout Assam and has numerous
Riverine.
riverines island, the largest being the Major.
Yes, the largest being the Majuli in the world. Red. Next. It is prone to floods every year due to change in its channel. Okay, can we have Akshat Sharma reading? Akshat Sharma, are you there? Ankur,
It is prone to floods every year due to change in its channel.
next.
The peninsular river system. First, drainage is small. Second, Western Ghats major river divide close to western coast. Western flowing are two major rivers, Narmada and Tapi, which flow through fault valleys, form estuaries. Eastern flowing are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri from deltas before falling into Bay of Bengal. The Narmada basins first rises in
Contact
Amarkantak
Hills.
Hills, flows westward in a rift
Westward.
and falls in
Beta
westward
flows
in a
westward.
rift
Huh?
and falls into Arabian Sea, forming estuary. Major course is through Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat.
Yes. Next. Fine. Can we have Purvanshi reading? Can we have Purvashi reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Narmada flow.
Yes, from here. Narmada flows.
Narmada flow over marble rocks near Jabalpur and forms Dhudar Falls before passing through a deep gorge. No notable tributaries are there. The Tapi Basin rises in the Satpura range in Beetle district of MP and flows westward into a rift valley parallel to that of Narmada. Others west flowing rivers Sabarmati, Mahi, Bhratipuzha, and Periyar.
Okay. Tapi Basin. Chali. Carry on, Purvashi.
The Godavari Basin, largest peninsular river, rises on the western Ghats in Nasik district of Maharashtra. Land 1,500 km, largest basin in peninsular India. Major tributaries Purna, Vardha, Pranita, Manjara, Venganga, and Penganga, also known as the Dakshin Ganga due to its length and area it covers.
Very good. Yes. Next. Wait, can we have Rakshit reading? Rakshit Solanki, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read. From Krishna Basin.
Rises from a spring near Mahabaleshwar, flows 1,500 kilometers into Bay of Bengal. Major tributaries Tungabhadra, Koyana Ghat, Prabha, Musi and Bhima. Drains Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh.
Okay. Next, Mahanadi Basin. Carry on. Carry on, Rakshit.
Rises in the highlands of Chhattisgarh, flows Orissa to reach Bay of Bengal, length 860 kilometers, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Odisha.
Very good. Okay. Can we have Vanshraj reading the Kaveri Basin?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha.
The Kaveri Basin first rises in Brahmagir range of Western Ghat and flows into Bay of Bengal south of Cuddalore in Tamil Nadu. Length 760 km. Major tributaries Amravati, Bhavini, Himavati and Kabini passes through Karnataka and Kerala in Tamil Nadu.
ठीक है. Carry on.
Yes, ma'am. Samudram waterfall, second biggest of India after Jog Falls. It supplies hydroelectricity to Bangalore, Mysore, and Kolar gold fields.
Fine. Now this is about the lakes. Can we have Rohan Rastogi reading?
Ma'am.
Yes, Rohan.
Lakes of large salt sea. Example: Aral Sea, Caspian Sea, and Dead Sea. Large water bodies, large bodies of water encircled by land form all sides, natural and artificial. Natural: Chileka Lake, Kozulu Lake, Dal Lake, Voral Lake, Bhimtal, Lothak, Barapani, Nainital. Artificial Lake, Gobind Sagar, Sardar Sarovar. Role of river in economy: water, irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation.
Okay,
River
wait.
pollution.
Rohan. If we have to elaborate this role of rivers in economy, all these 4 points which are given, can you elaborate these? Anybody in the class who can elaborate?
Ma'am, like fields near river get irrigation from the river itself.
हाँ, very good. The irrigation में आप लिख सकते हो, as India is a agricultural country, so maximum of the irrigation where rains are not there is supplied through the rivers, right? For
Yes,
irrigation
ma'am.
of the fields. ये water का कैसे बनाओगे आप बताओ? चलो
Ma'am,
नेविगेशन, हाँ बताओ.
ma'am, river water can be filtered and can be drinkable.
नहीं, आप इसको ऐसे हम इसको बना सकते. Anybody in the class who could elaborate this role of rivers in economy, water? How will you elaborate water? Can any one of you try? Those who are there in the class? Can we have Lavish answering this or Aryan Bhardwaj answering?
Ma'am, I think.
हाँ, बताओ. Water क्या है? It is an essential part.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Water is essential. अब अगर हम उसके essential part को देखते हैं तो वो किन किन चीजों के लिए essential है, तो उन चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए we can elaborate this water part. Can we? Fatima?
Ma'am, first it is
Yes,
very much important in day-to-day life.
very good. Then
Ma'am, it is very much important in making electricity.
चलो देखो, हम आपको हिंदी में बताते हैं मेन हेड्स जिसको कि आप वाटर में इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. एक तो इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए रिक्वायर्ड रहता है, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होती है, इसेंशियल पार्ट है. जो भी चीज आप देखो ऑन अर्थ रिक्वायर्स वाटर. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद आप इन 3 को इलेबोरेट कर दो आप हमारे लिए. Because see, these 4 points that are given, no, you will get a question of 5 marks where you have to elaborate these parts, these points. You have to tell in details. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? तो अगर हमें कुछ उससे रिलेटेड चीजें पता होंगी तभी तो हम करेंगे. इफ यू रिमेम्बर क्लास 8th में हम ज्योग्राफी में you must have had a chapter of water resources where you read about the various uses of water, right? So keeping those uses in mind, you can always relate it to the rivers, because rivers, they have the fresh water. Rivers are the freshwater sources, no? Sorry, rains are the freshwater sources, and rivers, most of the rivers, they are fed by the rains, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So accordingly, you can make your own points, right? Chalo, later on, carry on. Lavish was reading. Yes, Lavish. River pollution.
Ma'am, Lavish is not in the meeting.
But he was there. Chalo, let me see who all are there in the meeting now. Hmm. Okay. Can we have Ankur reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji Ankur. River pollution.
Ma'am, from role of river in economy.
Hanji. River pollution. Keval river pollution.
Excessive demand of water reduction in quality of water. Second, heavy load of untreated sewage. Third, industrial effluents emptied into the rivers.
Hmm.
Fourth, increasing urbanization and
Industrialization. Okay, now see these last two topics that we have covered. These two topics are important in the sense that you may get a 5-mark question from these two topics. So you need to, when you are doing your question answers, you need to prepare things accordingly. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was
Yes,
the last
Yes,
slide.
ma'am.
You all can take the screenshot. And when you are done, let me know. Taken?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
First page taken.
ठीक है. This is the second page.
Ma'am took.
Okay. This is the third one.
Yes, ma'am, done.
And this is the last one.
Yes, ma'am, done. Thank you.
Okay. Shall we do question answers of book which are
Ma'am,
there?
taken.
Hanji,
Ma'am,
beta.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of navigation?
Okay, very good. हमें कौन बताएगा what is navigation? Anybody in the class?
Ma'am, navigate.
क्या क्या होता है? Navigation का मतलब क्या होता है?
मैम रास्ता दिखाना.
हाँ.
Ma'am, to like show the way.
Basically, navigation का मतलब होता है to control and monitor the process of movement of the नेविगेशन. अगर हम पानी की बात कर रहे हैं तो पानी में जो शिप्स वगैरह मूव करती हैं उनकी कंट्रोलिंग वगैरह जो होती है वो नेविगेशन कहलाती है. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. एनीथिंग एल्स?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
चलिए. लेट अस डू द बुक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स.
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए. Who will read out question for me? चलिए. You don't have the books with you, बच्चा?
Ma'am, we have.
हाँ. Can you read
Yes,
out the
ma'am.
first question?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, MCQs.
Yes. First we have MCQs only, no? First one you read out.
Yes, ma'am.
And please tell the page
Choose the
number.
right
ma'am,
answer.
Page number.
Question
Pradyumsh, tell the page number.
Ma'am, 23.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Choose the right answer from the 4 alternative given below. In which of following state is Vuller Lake present? Ma'am, Jammu Kashmir.
Okay. In which of the following state is the Vuller Lake? It is Jammu and Kashmir. पर क्या ये स्टेट सही होगा?
I think so.
ये जो न्यू बुक्स हैं उसमें स्टेट नहीं लिखा होगा, ठीक है? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Yes, ma'am. The river Narmada has its sources at Satpura, Brahmagiri,
Satpura.
Amarkantak, slope of the Western Ghats.
Where does the river Narmada originates?
Ma'am, Amarkantak.
Yes, it is Amarkantak, option C. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Which one of the following lake is a salt water lake? Sambhar, Dal,
Sambar.
Vuller, Gobind Sagar. Sambhar Lake.
It is the Sambar Lake. Where is Sambar Lake? Do you know which state?
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Yes, it is in Rajasthan. Very good. Next.
Which one of the following is the longest river of the peninsular India? Narmada, Krishna, Godavari, Mahanandi. Godavari.
Godavari.
Which one among the following rivers flows through a rift valley? Mahanandi, Tungabhadra, Krishna, Tapi. Tapi.
Yes, it
Tapi.
is Tapi. Very good. Very good. That means you people have understood the chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, next question is?
Answer the following question briefly.
Yes.
What is meant by water divide? Give an example.
Yes. Who will tell this answer?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Rohan. Can you read out the question again?
Yes, ma'am.
One.
What is meant by a water divide? Give an example.
Okay. What is meant by a water divide? Give an example. Yes, Rohan is answering this question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, a mountain or an upland which separate two drainage basins, such an upland is known as water divide.
Very good. Can you give example of it?
Ma'am, example, I don't know.
Okay. Anybody else in the class would like to give the example for the same? We read it, no, in the Ganga river system when we were reading it. There was one part.
Yes, ma'am. Ganga and Indus.
Yes. Ganga river system. Ambala is located. Ambala is located on the water divide.
Indus.
Yes. The water divide between Indus and the Ganga river systems. We have read Ambala is located on the water divide, and the Western Ghats from the main water divide is the main forms the main water divide in the peninsular India. Right? Right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Sure. Very good. Next
Ma'am,
question.
next, can I read?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan.
Second question.
Ma'am,
Which
what
is
is
the
the first
largest
answer?
river basin in India? Ganga Basin.
Okay, but the first answer is an elevated area such as a mountain or an upland which separates two drainage basins is known as a water divide. For example, the water divide between the Indus and the Ganga river systems. Ambala is located on this water divide. The Western Ghats form the main water divide in peninsular India. Right?
And where it is written?
Okay, ma'am.
But in the book only it is given. One is under the peninsular system,
Yes,
one is under
ma'am.
the Ganga river system, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Peninsular
Yes,
river,
ma'am.
ma'am. First line.
Yes. Next question is?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Where do the river Indus and Ganga have their origin? River
Yes.
Indus originated from Lake Mahasarovar and River Ganga originated from Gangotri glaciers.
Very good. The river Indus rises in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake, whereas the Ganga originates at the Gangotri Glacier on the southern slopes of the Himalayas, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And which is the largest river basin in India?
Ganga.
Ganga River Basin.
Ganga River Basin. Very good. Can we do the next question? Name the two head streams of the Ganga. Where do they meet and to form the Ganga? Two main head streams of the Ganga. Where do they meet to form Ganga?
Ma'am, they met at Alaknanda.
Yes.
No, ma'am. Sorry, they met at Dev Prayag. Ma'am, the two head streams are Bhagirathi and Alaknanda.
Yes, the two head streams of Ganga are Bhagirathi and Alaknanda, and they meet at Dev Prayag in Uttarakhand to form the Ganga, right?
Bhagirathi
and Alaknanda. Then why does the Brahmaputra in its Tibetan part have less silt despite a longer course? Can anybody answer this question?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes. We are left with 2 minutes only.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is because, ma'am,
Yes.
it is the cold and dry area and it passes through a region of high rainfall.
Low rainfall. रेन शेडो एरिया आता है बेटा तिब्बत जो है.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, रेन शेडो है. बुक में क्या लिखा है एग्जैक्टली? बुक में दिया हुआ है ये आंसर बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. In Tibet, the river carries a smaller volume of water and less silt, as it is a cold and dry area. In India, it passes through a region of high rainfall.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. You write this only, okay? Tell them the page number from where you are reading it.
Ma'am, 21. Ma'am, on left hand side, first line.
ठीक है. चलिए. Next question. Can we have the next question? Which two peninsular rivers flow through Trove? Which two peninsular rivers they flow through a Trove? बेटा नर्मदा एंड तापी. नर्मदा
Yes,
एंड
ma'am.
तापी. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
See, the day you will get your notebooks back, that day I'll give you flowcharts for this chapter. Fine. And
Okay. Ma'am, Narmada and Tapi are peninsular rivers.
हाँ बेटा, they are peninsular rivers. I told you, no, that day when we were doing the reading part. In the
Ma'am,
PPT.
Tapi is there, but Narmada is west.
Narmada is also there, beta. 6 rivers are there of peninsular region.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you map work also for this chapter. You need, I think I told you also about the map work. The class is about to end. Now, whatever work I'll give you in the next class. Anytime the meeting is going to get over. I hope today's session you have learned few things and you will remember them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Chalo, enjoy your holidays. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.